Hi guys, welcome back. Um, Give me a sec. I'm back from holiday, job seeking, and planning React, Anki, etc. Okay, awesome. So yeah, we're back. Uh, it was a nice holiday. Wasn't too long, wasn't too short. Took an extra day off at home to relax a little, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I had some thinking, and we're gonna apply that thinking. So now you know that. Um, Apparently, I'm not hacked from last time. That's good. My Steam is still working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna start soon. Give me a second. Just gonna check the socials and so yeah, checking some stuff on the side. Mm, all right, let's start. I already had the applicants which I wanted to apply to, but let's get our Notion inset. Notion. Okay. Alright, deleting that one. Let's see on the front page. It seems that nothing has changed. I see a lot of well, recruiters. What the hell is this? What what the hell is this? Okay. It doesn't look good, guys. Let me translate the page. Hey Sapam, how are you doing? Yeah, it was relaxed. Wasn't too crazy. I came back yesterday, but I wanted to relax like one more day before going online. And yeah, we went to the beach and eating fish, going to restaurants, nothing too crazy. I don't like this high intense holidays, right? So, how are you doing? Is my mic working, by the way? I haven't tested that. Yeah, it's working. Awesome. Seems like the same old jobs. Doesn't look like anything changed, at least for the front page. Right. So let's check HTML. Let's do relevance first. Oh, it says the Netherlands. I should change that to Amsterdam, to be honest. And let's do like this. Maybe my front page will change. Like a lot of recruiters is not good. This is not a recruiter, but I'm not gonna do traineeships. This is a bit annoying because I applied to this one, but they redid the advert, but they didn't respond. So I'm like, bye. Let me see. Doesn't look too crazy. Internship, email marketing, bro. It's just email marketing, bro. Don't uh, don't make it too crazy. Same here. I'm too lazy for those crazy stuffs. I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, I just relax a bit. It's all good. Went to the beach a couple of times, ate a couple of times. Bit of sleeping, talking with some people about stuff. Nothing. Some people like this crazy holidays, and I don't have that. Don't get me wrong. I do like active holidays, like in hiking and those kinds of stuff, but not this time. I need to just relax a little. What is this? I want to see what this is. Profi workers. Because it seems like a recruiter. Hmm. Oh, I think we already checked this out. Is this their position or hire expert be hired? Oh, okay, yeah, it is a recruiter. Unfortunately, Montfort. I don't know where this is. Let's see where it is. Montfort. Montfort. Where the hell is that? Ah, okay. That was near Utrecht. Okay. Why the hell is there a company over there? How's your laptop doing, by the way? I cannot even go in right now. Yeah, I saw on the news like some bombing with Pakistan and those kind of stuff. I've no clue what's going on. I didn't understand what's going on. Ask Phil. What do you want? High level of dedication, bro. And Shopify skills. These are the what are the benefits? Lunch at work, pension plan, salary, limited access to psychologists. So it means you're gonna go crazy over here. I'll skip. It doesn't feel good. And it as a psychologist, like, we'll help you through it. Laptop still working? Awesome. Junior web developer. This is a full stack because you're attaching CMS to APIs. It's a pre. It's okay. Doesn't look too good. That's unfortunate. Okay, give me a second. I actually got copyright strike. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but I got a copyright strike for a clip I used 4 months ago. Um, that was like some kind of tutorial for coding for 2 minutes. I checked like 1 minute and 48 seconds. That particular content was not copyrighted. I checked, but that person copyright their stuff and then they copyright strike me, which is very unfortunate. I'm not sure about this. What is this? Oh, it's WordPress only? Oh, okay, I see. So what is this? Oh, mm, we already seen those. What is this? Looks like a fake job. And why did the language went back to Dutch? So tell me what's going on with the Pakistan India stuff. Like a bit of a highlight, you know. I am curious, but I wasn't curious to look it up. It seemed complex. You know Angular and React, and in depth knowledge like React Native and TypeScript. These two are very different things. Cloud. Dutch speaking is a requirement. An open culture that considers knowledge sharing experience. Permanent contract. It doesn't feel good though. Also, I don't know where this is. Oh, Utrecht? Oh, I remember this. We looked this up last time. I think we actually applied to this one. But like, I'm not gonna reapply, to be honest. I'm not, I don't have time for that. But it seems like nothing changed, to be honest. Oh, oh no, I've seen this one. Yeah, I've seen this one. Okay. Shopify expert. Front developer for ships. It's too far though. I haven't seen this one. Oh, I have. It looks like nothing came to be, but let's see the date, right? Um, it went to Dutch again. Okay. That's a real issue, by the way. Okay, you just do anything. Oh, okay. Okay, don't worry about it then. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let it go. It's not a big deal. Well, for you it's a big deal, but you know, I mean in the context of the stream. Uh, how can select excellent be the government? And it's in The Hague because it is a recruiter, obviously. I'm not replying to recruiters, bro. I get out. It doesn't look like there has been any jobs since I've been away. I've only been away for 5 days, and a weekend it came jobs, so it's literally a week. That's not good. No jobs. I've seen this one already. Is this new? No, this is not new. You've seen this one. Very bad. I don't have any filter on YouTube. I purposely set it turn it off, so because I don't care about filters. But I think it's still filtering comments. Doesn't seem like too much. Very bad. No jobs. I've been away for a week. No jobs. These are all jobs that were here. Basically, their that activity went insane, and we decided to destroy the front roads. Okay, well, it is how it is, bro. I mean, I, you have a right to protect yourself, right? So, if you don't want certain things, that's gonna end in conflict. It's normal. Like I'm not saying like we should normalize this, but you know, unfortunately it is. Wow. COBOL. Yeah, well, we have seen these ones already. So no new jobs. That's absolutely insane. I am, yeah, I'm amazed. Okay, how about WordPress then? On date. Web designer with UX and style. Is it far? This is more like a designer. Yeah, like a real designer stuff. Yeah, that's it. Content editor. Full-time position. Edit and publish. Create content plan. Invite keyword guides. Optimize pages. Internal linking. Analysis. Traffic for ranking. No, I don't have these. And I think I already seen this advert as well. Oh, that doesn't look good, guys. Nothing has showed up. Maybe, no, this is a recruiter. Nothing. Let's check the dirt page just in case. But I think there are no jobs for the week we went away. This means that there's a full week. So I'm not sure which week this is, but um, from Sunday all the way to Friday, which is a full week of job adverts, there's no crazy. Okay. Nothing. Okay. We're gonna do something else. First, I'm gonna apply. So give me a little bit of a second here. Give me a second, because I do have two vacancies I found on a Monday, and that's on my mobile, so I'm gonna apply real quick on that, just because then the habit of applying, not necessarily that I care. But yeah, very concerning. Um, let's go to. Oh, I saved four. Okay, one of them is a recruiter. Chain links. So I engineer. Okay, what is this? CSS, JavaScript, WordPress. Okay, so it's the WordPress one. Um, okay, save it. Let's go to WordPress. They cannot find me. You can check what they did by searching. Oh, okay. Um, this this employer had a lot of questions. Like, do you have a diploma? Do you have this? Do you have that? Do you have this? Oh, okay. Software engineer front end. Okay, give me a second. You need to know Swift. No, I don't know Swift. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, resume design. This one. Insecure employee. Yeah, employer. Yeah, I know. Um, Personal information. Fill in your LinkedIn. Fill in your GitHub. No. How about fuck no? I don't do those. Okay. Let me remove this one. I think that is. I don't even know you. Okay. Um, do you have a master? What's a master for what? For making Figma, doing Next.js, and JavaScript. I'm not gonna do a master for this. Let me see what they ask. Um, Almost done, guys. Um, Motivation letter. I really don't want to do that. Yes, you need a master for Figma apparently. For a junior front-end developer position at Utrecht, you need a motivation letter. How about no? How about I delete this stuff? Like I don't want this kind of employers, bro. Okay, so we did that. Let's see. Let's see how the goals is going this month. Give me a second. Um, Quarter two. So let's see how we're doing. All right. There's a lot of stuff. Okay. We have not done this yet. We are busy with this, so that's good. Um, we pretty much done that. I'm pretty much fluent in Framer. I need to read 5 books, but it seems like I postponed that. I'm not sure why. Um, we're busy with this. Apply to 40 jobs. Yes, we did. We haven't finished this one yet. Great. Social media account product. It's no, not yet. Um, yeah, we did this. This one is done. Vue.js project is done. Okay, so we did some of the things. This one is a double one, I see. Let me go here. Let me see. So I can replace this one. I don't think I can start a business in the second of quarter. I don't have time for Shopify to be honest, so I'm gonna buy a team from someone else. When that's done, I'm going to let me see if the guy replied. Give me a second. Okay, the guy didn't reply yet. But I'm looking for someone that makes a Shopify team for me for just for experience on my resume. I haven't found that guy or girl yet. Like I hate to say it, you can actually buy experience because if you have a certain fluency in like a certain like front end framework, Shopify is also part of front end. So I just buy it, and when I actually apply to this job and they're serious, then I'm gonna learn it like real quick. That is my goal. Checking goals. Actually need to join a language club. Let's work on the language club actually. So let's see what we have here. Um, maps. We'll go and we're gonna do language. Dutch makes easy. Language. I should do language exchange. Amsterdam. Oh, there's. I want to do search here. Oh, it immediately goes to. Okay. Okay. So there are some, but these are some of them are paid. That's a bit annoying. Um, I don't have Facebook though. I think Facebook is very good for this. Let's go to Meetup. Meetup.com. And let's check language. My eyes when you opened, what do you mean? Oh, okay. I'm sorry, bro. How about this? All good? Okay. All language cafe in Amsterdam. Let's see what this is all about. Japanese language club. Mm, Uh, Fun with learning a Dutch song. Okay, so there is a language, Japanese language cafe in Amsterdam. So let's check it out. What is this? Card game session. Mm. Oh, immediately get the sign up, bro. Let me check a little. What is this? Is this a dance cafe? Okay. Language school, Dutch language school, contact. Amsterdam language cafe. What, bro? Stop. I just don't want to. Okay, let's see what they have. French workshop, Dutch workshop, Italian, Dutch, Spanish, French. It's the usual. Learn from an embassy if possible. No, I'm just looking for like a social gathering because I promised myself to join one. So um, let me do language again. I'm not satisfied with this one. It wants to know your location. You already know my location. You just filled it in. It seems that it's mostly from the same, mostly from the same people. That's not good. Okay. We need a different strategy. Let's see. Language Club Amsterdam. Okay. Oh, this is like a, yeah. They're usually Amsterdam people. Hmm. It doesn't look too well, to be honest. It looks like a forum from 2010. Try to find an Insta on Discord. Yeah, maybe I should. But give me some time. I'm just trying to find it here. And also, let me use Google, right? Google is good for this. Okay. Language, Amsterdam. Okay, so language corner. What is this all about? Dutch, English, Spanish, and the courses. I don't want courses, bro. I just want to have like a gathering. These are. It looks all like all advertisements. Okay, so that doesn't look good. Mm, okay. Let me ask a friend of mine. Give me a second. Okay, so this is not a solution, right? We already seen this. So we definitely need like maybe I should ask ChatGPT. It's probably going to give me the casual answers. Language, Amsterdam. Okay. Let's see. Courses, Dutch. What is this? Let me check. This looks like very professional stuff. What's this? Okay. Language, cafe, Amsterdam. Okay. But no, we already had that one. Okay, so it seems like Facebook is the way to go here, and Instagram. So give me a second for that. Is this about? Oh, these are not wow, it's really bad. Okay, here, someone asked a question. No, Amsterdam Language Cafe. Okay, these are the. I don't think I can see Facebook. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, I can. Okay, that's good. This page is not available right now. Login. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay. Um. Oh, it's a library. Hey, how are you doing? Light 20 YouTube. Okay, let me be more specific. Korean. Oh, it's gonna give me these ones. Language. Restaurants. Okay, let me remove the cafe. Korean school. Korean. I said Korean language and culture exchange. Group not found. Why is streaming late night? Um. Well, first of all, I have to work. Then I have to do maintenance. Administration, those kinds of stuff, and then I throw on the stream and we do some more. How about you? I don't want to go to school. I don't want to do this. Okay, let me go to maps here. Korean, Amsterdam. Probably gonna give me a lot of cooking and what is this? Insane? Restaurant. A lot of restaurants. Yeah. 2 years ago, there were no Korean restaurants. Suddenly got really famous. Okay, so I'm stuck with something like Meetup, or I have to go to the Shoso. But you can get Korean girls of your age in school, maybe. The thing is that they're very rare here. That's the problem. Study buddies, sure. Language has changed. This is online. Yeah, it's online. Doesn't seem or a Guinea club. IDOC is really far. Okay. So you have this. Else it doesn't exist. Hmm. Let's see what this is. Okay. Okay, but where is it though? Public library from 2 to 3:30 p.m. on Sundays. So this is my option basically. Okay. Um, where you can get Korean girls. Yeah, no. I tried though. I tried. I calculated that 0.8%, 0.08% of the population of Korea is here. I think there are even more in India. Well, not compared to the population, but compared to the amount of people. And most of them are um, studying here, studying here. No, there are a lot of Chinese people here though. That's what I've noticed. Groups? Are they groups? What are these? Amsterdam Kimchi Workshop. There's link and chill. But this doesn't seem Korean at all. Just for fun. Origini. Kung Fu Chati. This is Chinese. Oh. Maybe it's good to find a front end position. Like React as well. Let us see. React live coding. React Amsterdam. What is this? No, they don't have shit. Okay. Mm, let's try it again. Because I have Amsterdam, right? But I don't have a distance. So let's do a little larger. What are you doing here? I typed it once. Then you're gonna pro. Damn it. I do not enjoy this. Okay, we're gonna go to social media soon. What is this? Sounds a bit not my thing. So and you have this one. Okay, so you have this one. Where is it though? Let me see. Oh, Cobra Museum of Art. Okay. Oh, wait. I see something here. Oh, wait. This is the one. Yeah. This. God damn it. Okay. Yeah. Let's do social media for a second. Give me a second. Instagram. What is this? Give me a second. Let's see. Why do we get a lot of requests? Like I'm never on social media, so okay. Great. Let's search. What should we do? Um, language. Maybe it's a language Amsterdam. Let's see. I'm just gonna type enter. Can I do that without just searching? Enter. Okay, nothing's showing up. Language corner. Let's see what is this. Mm, yeah, you're right. La language. Good. Let's do language and then someone hashtagged Amsterdam. Well, I can only do one. Can I actually enter? Oh, okay, I see. Um, yeah, maybe like language learning. Maybe I can do like something with location or something. It doesn't look like my location. Uh, I speak several languages and I'm improving on my Spanish. Yeah, I can tell you're never in social media. Yeah, you can tell, right? How does that work? Help me a little bit. Um, how does this work? Uh, I think I need to do Facebook for this one, to be honest. But I think Facebook is gonna ask me for my ID with this AI that I have. So I only get like suggested videos. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. Let's try it. Amsterdam, uh, Korea, Korean food, Amsterdam, Korean. Fewer than 100 posts. Okay. Well, maybe. There's all foodies. What is? You're not even Korean. Shaila. Okay. Korea, Amsterdam, or something. I don't know. Hongdae, restaurant, language school. Yeah, no, don't want to do that to be honest. Um, okay. Mm, give me give me a second. Maybe I can start up like making a Facebook account and then I can check. Uh, how do I do this? Maybe I can go to my activity and then I can go to not my activity. Um, search appearance. No. One second, guys. Settings. Profile. Oh, here's the setting button. Damn it. Professional account, supervision, settings and privacy. Awesome. Okay. See more in your account center. Okay, I'm in my account center. Now what? I should not be there apparently. Um, is there like a Facebook button here? Account status? No. Language? Message and story replies? Um, that's very interesting because I figured that it would have been somewhere like here, right? But archiving, dashboard. Um, can I just go to Facebook or something? Give me a second. Let me pull up the address bar. Oh no, I cannot because I am in. God damn it. Maybe I can do it like this. Give me a second. No, I cannot. Okay, let's go to home. Okay, we're at home. You have real messages, create, dashboard, explore, search, and home. You have meta AI, threads, and more. Okay, let's go to more. Then we have settings. Close friends, professional account, creator, tools and controls, Instagram Lite, threads, meta. Why is there no, maybe like this? Explore meta. Maybe I should just do, why is it so laggy, by the way? Give me a second. Facebook.com. Do I need to make an account? Email or phone number and password. Oh, this is too annoying, bro. You cannot even make an account on Facebook or something from here. That is definitely a missed opportunity from them. Terms. Okay, let me look it up. Um, how to make Facebook account from Instagram. Continue. Connect your Instagram and Facebook account. Okay. Um, Give me a second. What it says? It says tap profile. I don't even see that one, but okay. But let's go to account center. Okay. Okay, I'm in account center. And at the bottom, tap accounts and then add account. Okay, add account. Add Facebook account. Well, I need to sign up with date, gender, password. Ah, it's too much work. And I might grid my Instagram, to be honest. Don't wanna ban my Instagram account. They might figure out like, hey, this guy is fake, and they're like, account done. Uh, okay, let me message my friend again. Martien, ik ben op zoek naar een taalclub, gewoon ergens in de stad. Niet per se voor een cursus, maar gewoon om met andere mensen te socializen. Kan je kijken of daar Facebookgroepen voor zijn? Want ja, ik heb geen Facebook en ja, ik kan er verder nergens vinden. Ik weet dat ze er zijn namelijk. I asked her, so in my language. So okay, let's check this a bit more. Let's actually do ChatGPT for this. Yeah, it seems so. I think you're right. I think you're totally right on this. Okay, so let me ask ChatGPT. I am looking for a language cafe in Amsterdam and uh, in Amsterdam that is a social gathering to exchange language, so no course or whatever. Um, could you recommend some places? Let's see what it says. It's probably going to give me the same results. You can write profiles, match for the conversation parts, and arrange casual meetups at cafe or parks. No, I'm not looking for a one-on-one. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay, we already did that. Okay, Polyglot Club Amsterdam. Let's see what it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so it's basically like a website for this as well. But it seems like creating a new meeting here in 3 weeks. Next events. These are the same in Meetup. Okay. Language. Okay. How about Korean and Japanese? No, I want it in real life. Okay, my friend says tomorrow because it's 11 p.m. probably. Um, okay, Amsterdam Korean and Culture Exchange Meetup Group. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Supam, you're really funny. You said like you can see that you don't have social media. Yeah, like I don't use it at all. Okay, this group does not exist anymore. So it's done. Like Asdan Korean language. Let me try it shorter. It doesn't seem to exist. This is a new group. Japanese 101. Okay, but this is Japanese, right? I'm looking for a which one? Okay, and then you get the same stuff going on. Okay, so this is a new one. So what is this? Does it cost money? First, we'd like you to book a free lesson. Okay, so it's paid. It's on trial. One person can, yeah, it's not a real event. Okay. They say Tandem. Let me look up Tandem. I have this app. How about virtual clubs? No. Um, we tried that before. I'm not a fan. Okay, let me see all. Okay, let me go to language clubs. Okay, in the app. Okay, can I look for something or Russian, German? It doesn't seem so. There's one Dutch club. Okay, there are language parties though. Korean. Okay, hey Chris, how are you doing? It doesn't exist anymore. You can see here. Doesn't exist. I just don't want to have one person. Okay, so it seems my only option is let me see. For now, where is this language club? I deleted it. Okay, let me type in this. The only part is this one. You don't look Japanese though. Let me see. Let's go to the image application. There must be bigger images of these people, right? Are you kidding me? Damn it. Okay. Mm, and Mandarin. Yeah, Mandarin is gonna be a very easy find. Yeah, it's not worth the screen time, bro. I'm barely on these apps. It's this Sunday on the 11th of May. Is it usually on Sundays? Yes, it's usually on Sundays. And it's 1.5 hour. I don't like the timing though. And this library is very busy. One on wait list. And this is 25th of May. And there are only certain attendees allowed. Interesting. So there's 7 attendees here and one on wait list. Hmm. So here's the question. Should I wait or should I do it? According to the other one, according to this one, there's one Korean guy. We don't know about this one. Okay, so how does this work? Does this cost money? Meet a pro. What is this? Oh, that's because of the... What to expect? Market your community, build your email list, be where your customers are. Oh, okay, it's for certain people. Okay. Mm, should I commit? That's the question. It has 2 to 2 ratings. Okay, can I see more events? Because I don't want to go to 2 events, invest, and then Japanese friendly language club travel. What was this all about? 2,000 members. Oh, okay, I see. And we have this one. So what is this all about? Mm, There's so many members, but how can this be if there's only certain showing up? It doesn't make any sense. How can a club like this have these kinds of members? Do people just join and that's it? Because if I assume, right? I assume if you're here and you say like, "Hey man, we only have six spots." So okay, this is a study group, but it's Japanese and Korean. This is my only spot. Should I join or should I wait? And it starts on the 11th of May. Search on YouTube at this point. No, I can unfortunately not search YouTube because we have copyright material and they're gonna be like, fuck off, right? 2 o'clock. I don't like this timing here. 3:30, it's a miss of the center. How fast can I be home? Let me think. I'm driving in my head to home. It's not too bad. It's like 15 minutes, and then I immediately have to walk my dog. Hmm. I'm very disappointed about the opportunity cost um, in my country when it comes to Korean. So now, unless I'm going to go to my friend, the only part is who does meet a yeah, right? And if you don't know, this library is very loud. You can work in pairs, groups, and have a chat in study language. Hmm. Okay. Hey there, just passing by. I'm a mobile engineer. Hey Hamza, how are you doing? Are you a mobile engineer? Good. Let's have a talk about mobile development. What kind of mobile engineer are you? Because there's many ways to make a mobile app nowadays. Hey bro, I'm engineering, first year student. Should I try web development? Learn CSS, Java. Hey bro, um, to be honest, what you do, you're gonna go to the job market. It's gonna be like job market, right? Like Indeed or something. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna compare many jobs and something that you want, right? Like maybe you want to be a back-end developer, maybe you want to be a front-end. No, like if you don't know, that's okay. Then you're just gonna try stuff. And then if you know stuff, you're gonna look at the job applications and you're gonna see how much something is repeated. And if something is repeated, you're gonna make a project on it during your studies. And when you're approximately about your internship, then you already have the experience. So then you get an easy job. I'm a native Android plus cross platform mobile engineer. Okay, so you also do like Flutter or React Native next to Kotlin? Is that what you're saying? Okay, sorry for the brain, the eye. eyesore. But I like this language club even better. But it's a Japanese language club, and I'm not investing in Japanese right now. That's really annoying. Also, who's showing up? 15 attendees. God damn it, bro. Let me think about it. Oh, Flutter? Oh, that's nice, bro. I would like the other guy asked, like, learn should I learn Flutter, for example? Well, in my country, I'll show you how famous Flutter is, and that's what you should do, right? Check it out, and you're gonna see Flutter 25 plus. Well, that's not a lot, and this is my whole country, right? And that's not even only Flutter; it's multiple ones: Junior Flutter, Senior Flutter. Like usually there are front end with Flutter, and this is a problem that I have in my country. They ask you to do multiple things, but yeah. Great, bro. Flutter has been significantly improved. I was reading on it. Rather be a Flutter, rather than a Flutter developer, I would recommend being a mobile engineer. Yeah, I agree. The thing is, what I struggle with mobile engineering is like I don't know any backend, right? I do know front end. Else I would have just done React Native now. Should I join or should I not join? Plus four more, one on waitlist. Hmm. It can't hurt though. But I'm not using books nowadays. Hmm. But this is not my original goal. I am not necessarily with the study materials. My goal is actually to just speak. So it's also not necessarily fitting, and there's Japanese involved. Damn it, bro. I have to think about this. Let's check my other goals. Um, well, it can help me achieve 600 Korean vocabulary though, because then I have a commitment. Damn it. I hate this country, bro, for this. Uh, Forget about tandem. Um, and by the way, seems pretty fun stream. You're interacting with the community. Keep it up. Yeah, bro. So this is my first day back, so there's not gonna be a lot of programming today, but definitely soon. Tomorrow it's gonna be programming again. We're gonna do interview questions and we're gonna do some lead code probably because we're looking for a job. So But I also want to build big projects. Someone suggested like I should build a big project again, but I don't want to build something just because I want to build something. I want to build something that's going to make me potentially money. I'm not building just for fun. Like this is not the fun challenge. This is making 600 days, 7 years. So, let's see. What is this? They already asked me for commitment before I even can see what it is. What is this? Oh, this is the other one. Okay, so it's a language corner, right? And it has Dutch and English. Okay, I just want to see. Can I see all members? No, I cannot. Okay, let's see. Let's assume I click here, right? Like, do I see anyone? Okay. Yeah, Hamza, what is something you want to see in the stream? I'm curious. Like, people, you need to speak up, right? Like, I'm not only streaming. Like, for now, I'm looking up a language cafe because it's one of the goals that we have this quarter, right? But courses. Oh, these are courses, bro. Chat and chill. So where are the chats and chills then? Past, upcoming, courses, 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 open level, or just chatting? Or maybe I can find someone here. KD, Kamal. What's my tech stack? Um, anything front end with anything front end really. Anything. I do. I'm not judgy. I can do React, I can do Nuxt, I can do I don't know, Svelte. It doesn't matter. Like I'm not looking at a. Let's just do JavaScript, like everything JavaScript related. I also do WordPress and those kinds of stuff. Anything that gets the job done, basically. Okay, language corner. It's asking me for stuff. Okay, let's do language again. Am I really this blind? I don't like beer though. It's too far. It's an online event even. That's perfect. Why is that perfect, sir? Okay. If I was a Korean, right? Uh, I prefer this response. Let me see. Um, if I was a Korean in Amsterdam, what would I do? Oh, Kakao open chats. Let me see what this is all about. I see something here. Um, Kakao open chats. That's perfect. Yeah, bro, I hate React. Like React, right? React be like, hey man, let's do declarative stuff with states. And then where problems arrives, right? Where problem arrives. Oops, we don't know where your data is. I've been in the industry for 200 years and seen people being stuck with a single technology for the rest of their life. No problem solving. So that's why your approach is perfect. Yeah, bro. Um, even with mobile, right? I don't see it as, I look at the concept, like what is the concept? How does it get applied? And then with the skills that I have, I apply it. I don't think about oh, this code, I have to put my data in there and data in there. Like that's it's not gonna work. I'm gonna look that up. Give me a second. I'm gonna see what this is all about. Um, so there's like an open stuff. Okay, so let's search. Uh, I don't think this is the one. Let's go to open chat. K-fashion, K-pop lovers, international chat. Can I search trending topics? Search Amsterdam. Okay. Oh, there are open chats here. Well, this is only Korean. That's not good. Okay. No, that the open chat is not gonna work. I see. Let me just check everything. What is this? Join open chat. The chat room requires a chat room code. Then it's not an open chat, bro. Never mind. Okay, that's not gonna work. Cafe soap. Okay, let me read what you said. Can I check out your GitHub? I don't post on GitHub for like 2 years. I have all my projects local at the moment. But you can, let me see. Do I have a project? Um, my latest project is in Svelte though. I'm not sure if you're interested in that. Um, I will tell you why I don't have it on GitHub, bro. So GitHub has a way of getting closed your closed project, a project behind the scene, to be seen by someone else. That's why. Um, I think it's called Svelte Aura. I made this site. You can check it out. Okay. This I made it with Svelte. You can check out the code if you want to. In the spec browser. Okay, so cafe. So that's how it's called. So what is this? Looks like old people. You want to see it again? Um, Anything basic and cool, you can teach us, master. We're gonna do a lot of basics in React. So if you're interested in React soon, we're gonna do a lot of them. What is this? Nah, bro. What is this bad suggestion? Nam Kang. What is this? Nam Kang. Norwegian? Korean and Japanese restaurant. But that's a restaurant. I don't want to go to a restaurant, bro. I'm not there to eat. And soul food is also a restaurant. Okay. They're catch a meetup fan of Korean pop culture. If you're not in K-pop, attend one good way to people. It's in Korea. Attend general language exchange night. I think this is one and this themed. You're speaking platforms, local Korean Facebooks, Koreans in Netherlands or Koreans in Amsterdam Facebook groups. God damn it. Yeah, I created this one. You can check it out. Works fine. There's no real issue here. Right? See more, everything is working. There's no like real animation. I would recommend holding some live challenges like fast coding, some small mid-sized application on stream. Would love to participate on that stuff. Well, I can do that, but like I said, I want to do anything that's gonna make me money. I am going to program. I'm not gonna program just for fun. And I hate to say that because I love programming, but I also love a good life. So just be made, right? So if I'm gonna make something, I'm gonna throw it online to sell. Unless I need to practice, right? Like let's assume like I don't know React Native, right? And I need to practice, then yeah, we're gonna make a pseudo project. And I don't like speed coding to be honest. I think for me, how I look at coding, I look at the skill first. Like I look at the skill, what do we need to do, right? And how to structure. Then I look at the structure, right? And then I look at the concepts that we need to do. I actually should do concept first, right? Concept, skill, structure, and then we're gonna do like modular, right? And then we're gonna start, right? Basically something like that. That's how I do it. Uh, is there a Korean church? Where's the church? I don't even know where it is. Is it in Amsterdam? Oh yeah, I see. I know where it is. Okay, so we have a couple of options. So the first option is that I do the Japanese slash Korean study meetup. Second one is a general one, and the third one is a virtual one. Hmm. And we didn't do. We have to do Facebook as well. Check Facebook. right? But I don't have Facebook. But Hamza, we are going to do a bigger project soon because people want to see and they want to see how that goes in React or something. Oh, what do I see here? Oh, it's online though. Discord, please click this link to sign up. All small chat rooms at the main don't room accommodate to 6 people. The recommended number is 4. The most ideal number is 2 Koreans and 2 foreigners. However, please note that the number of participants is different every day and every hour. Please turn on the camera in the conference room. If not followed, you may be sent off. If you're participating, please set the application. More entries, inflows, opportunities to meet friends. Okay, it's Zoom. Because it doesn't say anything about money, but this is online. How many attendees? 700 members. And how often is this? 11. Every Sunday at 2 p.m. Why is it 2 p.m.? What is it with the 2 p.m., guys? But this is only speaking, but I don't want to. The thing is, I want to do offline speaking. I don't see. I see one Korean. God damn it. It's in London. Okay, let's check a different city. There's a cooking class in Utrecht. This is not in Utrecht. Because the only thing that we have is here. That's terrible. I'm not happy about that. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. But we did our research, right? So that's good. We cannot sign it off because we haven't joined one yet. But it's busy. So let's do this. Alright. So at least we done that. Um, okay. Let me see. While creating white labeled apps can generate value, I was thinking to sell mid-sized tools for local business alongside with job. Where you from, Hamza? Yeah, maybe you're right. Sapam. Maybe you're right. So yeah, I'm thinking a bit. Should I commit? It's at 2 p.m. Which means I have to leave like 1:40. It's 1.5 hour study. This means that there's a break. What is this again? Okay, everything is Japanese. So, okay. So there's no Korean group. Is that clear? Okay, so let's do groups. Let's do group. Um, yeah, of course there is one in Netherlands. Just for fun. Okay, so there's no Korean group whatsoever. That is pretty clear. I don't see it. So what is this? You can ask the embassy. Like you mean the Korean embassy. Do I see any Korean? Maybe. Maybe. This could be very well Chinese. This one, very likely. Okay, so where is this? In Amstelveen. It has one rating. Past, upcoming. Saturday at 7. I cannot do 7. But let's check. And 30 euros entry ticket. Yeah, bro. I'm not what is this? Workshop meetup app. It Nah, bro. And it is. Let me see. Very far. Nah, nah, I'm good. Okay, so we have one thing, and that's the study one. Hmm. Oh, you're from Pakistan? I understand. Let's not talk about the war though. Okay? Sorry, I just want to chill out, you know? This is not a political stream. Just want to be honest, right? Um, like no offense, right? I'm very disappointed about this. What is this? Past events. Doesn't have new events. And the last event was May. Oh, okay. So, it doesn't seem that I'm going to find this. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm thinking about another approach, another angle, but it doesn't seem it's gonna be work out. I give it a couple of minutes to think about it. I'm just gonna go to Google Map. I'm just gonna type in language again. Language. Just want to why I in Oslo? What the hell is going on? Okay. Okay, it said something with a language lab. In, okay, what is this? Language lab. What is this all about? Let's read. Oh, it's an agency. Okay. Dutch for internationals. Learning Spanish. British Training Center. Fuentes. Chinese school. Language corner. I'm surprised there's nothing in the city center though. Dutch made easy. Oh, it's suddenly gonna show me other stuff. Okay. So Google is also not working with me. If I just type in language here, I probably did that 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times, but let's look beyond myself. I just want to check the language cafe again. It's too far, bro. Okay, so these are the upcoming events. More than 4. Italian. Workshop. What does that mean, workshop? Oh, okay. It's not really a what is this? Four per person. Get out. Okay, so that's not gonna work out. So let's go back. Oh, this is not the one. Okay. So ChatGPT also confirms that there's not a lot. What is this? My eyes are burning, bro. Because I've been looking at the screen all day. Getting old. Okay, I understand this. Okay. So what is this? Okay, so here I have an opportunity to find people. And this is Tuesday, May. Okay, so it's a cafe or bi-weekly exchange meetup. Their photos, 3 photos. Okay, okay, okay. I totally understand. Let's see more about this group. So let's go to events. It's not too far from my home. Amsterdam is damn beautiful. Thank you, bro. The living conditions can be better. It's at this, the quality of life has been significantly um, decreasing. Uh, I think Koreans like this. Plus 4 more. Let me see if I can find a Korean on the photos. There's none. Also, I don't like singing those. Okay, next. Wine tasting. So there's a lot going on. Meet at Balage. Social hub is very far. Ticket required. Um, what is this? It's not free registration if you own limited, bro. Okay, I got 8 likes on the stream. I'm not sure why. I'm not even programming at the moment. But thank you guys. Um, I'm gonna do more programming tomorrow. Like I really want to finish this goal because next to programming, I also have other goals, right? Most of them are programming, but others of them are marketing and sales. But some of them are these ones, right? Some of them is with languages, right? Okay, so it seems like I should only do the language exchange meetup, to be honest. Okay, this is very far into the future, so let's see how many people show up. Upcoming. Okay, 15. Which one did I had? I don't see the one that I had. I love European architecture and houses are beautiful but kind of scary. Why are they scary? Okay, that's very interesting. So we had this event, right? Language has changed at Meet Balage. Okay, so how many people attended this? Not a lot. So I cannot guarantee if a Korean shows up. So it might be a waste of time. Like if like 20 people show up, right? Then I'm like, okay. Okay, so the only one is the studying one. I'm very disappointed about this research. So then the only thing that I have is the virtual one, right? So, and that is any distance. You can work in Paris group and have a chat in your study language. Most Hollywood horror movies has houses like that. No, that's the English ones. That's the UK ones. We have we have different architecture. We have a very unique style of architecture here. But I understand what you're saying, Sapam. Maro, chata. Okay, zata. Okay. Hmm. Let's commit. Let's just commit to one. I'm just gonna commit. I just wanna attend. Uh, let's do Apple. Give me a second. Give me a second. So 7. Maverick, how are you doing? Give me a second. I need to make an account and then Uh, I'm gonna, okay, okay, I don't want to find a data partner. Skip. People who dream like to join affairs that match their interest. If they're, yeah, I wanna skip. Okay, give me a second. Completely symptoms intent. Well, it's forcing me to do this stuff. Sure. Language exchange, language and culture, international friends. Done. Bro, what the hell is this? Okay. What is your relationship status? Prefer not to say, obviously. Fuck off. Get the. What has this platform become? What is this? Can I continue with free plan? Okay. Can I try for free? No. No. Completely simple set intent. What do I need to do then? Next. We're currently trying to join a language club and we're gonna do some coding. How about you? What? What? Sure. This one and let's do another one. Dutch welcome. Done. Next. Get the ultimate meetup experience or continue with the free plan. Continue with the free plan. Okay. I am going. Try for free. Stop doing this stuff. What the hell is this? Try for free. Go back. Well, can I get rid of this? I'm so annoyed. Thanks, bro. I I'm from the Netherlands. Where are you from, Maverick? So I cannot see all. That will give me. Okay. I'm going. Which one am I going? I'm going the 11 May. Okay, so let me put it in my wait. Sunday, May 11. Ah, okay. I was thinking, huh? It's tomorrow. Okay. JK meeting at 2 p.m. PM, right? Yeah, okay. How to find us? 7th floor restaurant behind the coffee. Okay. And this is the 11 one. And let's do the other event as well. Uh, so we have the 11th of May. Ladyland is too far to be honest. Okay. Join waitlist. Get high priority, just with a low priority. Okay, and then this one is the 25th. Okay, so JK at 2 p.m. Sure. Great. Now I have two things planned. Uh, you guys can talk, but I'm just gonna tell you this YouTube is gonna put a heavy filter on that conversation. So now you know. I just want you guys to be aware that I am not filtering you guys. YouTube is filtering. Okay. Can I get rid of this bar for a second? Get out. Okay. So I can see what's going on here. Okay. A seventh floor restaurant behind the coffee counter. Okay. Sure. Uh, okay, so this is the only option that I have. That's crazy. Well, mm, can I see who organized it maybe? Can I see that? Okay, so there are no. Okay, so there are no Korean people at the moment. Let's see the past. Okay. Okay, it has been pretty consistent. Okay. So what is this all about? I know where this is though. Who's going? Only Mari? Okay. So we have this Sunday, we have an event. Alright, so apparently I joined the language club. Let's leave it at that. We did something, right? So let's wipe up the list. Okay, great. Um, I think that is it for me. Um, yeah. It's very unfortunate that we don't have a club here. I don't know where I know where the Koreans are. They are in a specific place. The thing is that they don't necessarily care. Why do you have ghost picture on your desktop? Just because I want to. But which are you talking about actually? This one? Are you talking about this one? I can help you with this. I'll show you. So I have I have an AI influencer. I'll show you. This is my AI influencer. This is my Instagram. So the reason why is because I don't necessarily want my own face on these apps, but I do want to use these apps for research purposes. So that's why I figured to make a yeah, an AI. Now you know. Hopefully that answers the question. So that a lot of these pictures are um, from that one. No problem, bro. Do you need help to make an AI influencer? I can help you, bro. You go to LLM Notebook, and there's a specific one with Python. I'll show you which one it is, to be honest. I think it's this one. Oh, this is the tutorial. I'm not looking for the tutorial, but uh, I think it's this one. Anyways, one of these. Let me check. Oh, this one. Yeah. Simon Pierre Butcher, Element Notebook. So this one will help you to make AI stuff. Then you can start an environment in Google to make your own AI essentially with their RAM and their virtual graphic machine from Google. So you can, yeah, create that. It's more advanced. You can look it on YouTube. You just type in LLM Google Notebook, like AI influencer or something. Ooh, I see something here. The modern open source time tracker. See, what is this? Is it only for solid time? See what it is? Open beta. On every device, offline support, add to home screen. Oh, okay, this is like a billing invoice kind of stuff. EU-based hosting. Oh, EU-based hosting. Fuck off. Cool. And time tracker. Why I need to do that? Do I get money? What do you mean? I made this AI for so I can be on these apps without showing my face. I'm not sure what you mean, bro. This looks good. Like a time tracker. Oh, I love when they did this. The actual real stuff. But it's in beta form, so probably goes professional. One user. Okay. Okay, done. Looks like a good web app. This is something I can create on my own for free, right? And get users. That's actually a good idea. But I need some kind of saving stuff. This could be a good app for maybe like a mobile app. And then I can make it with SQLite. Let me do brainstorm. I call this. I want to create a time tracker with React Native for different categories with SQLite. So it is device based or yeah, uh, yeah, okay, sure. That's good though. Okay, we could create something like this. Maybe that's actually a good idea for making app. Okay, let's assume I have the app for free in the App Store. Um, iOS. Do I need to pay money yearly? Yes, if you want to publish, you must pay Apple's annual developer fee, even if the app is free to use. That's not good. Um, how about if I make it web-based? Okay, via WebAssembly in the browser, SQLJS. Um, okay, what if an user wipes their tracking uh, wipes their data history in the web browser, like Safari? It already says it here. Okay. Uh, how can I solve this? Okay. Cloud backup. Is Firebase Superbase or your own backend to sync data to the cloud? Okay. Manual backup. Okay. Use browser sync storage if wrapped as an or Electron app. It's gonna have a backup feature, to be honest. God damn it, bro. Do you need to pay? Um, do you need to pay Play Store fee? A one-time fee. Okay. 100 bucks for an app. That's pretty rough, especially when it's yearly, right? So I'm not sure if that's worth it, to be honest. For Android, it is worth it though. Hmm, that's very expensive. How's it called? Let's look this up. Let me see. Okay. So where can I? Okay, if I click enroll, right? Start your enrollment. It's gonna give me the whole program, or it's gonna give me the price. Okay, it's gonna. How much in the Netherlands? iOS and Android. I'm not gonna. What is this? So even if you have a free app, you need to pay $100 a year. Okay, what if you paid one time, published some apps that are free, but you do not renew it? Then what? Wow. You can keep your free apps live, bro. What the hell is going on with Apple? Apple's really greedy, bro. Hmm. I don't feel like making apps when I see this. A year, right? A year. I think for now, I will make it up. Okay. I'm gonna run this off. Thank you so much coming here. Subham, Hamad, Maverick, Hamza, other Hamza, Krez, Light to YouTube, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. See ya.